Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy phone screen black and white. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we need to activate our developer mode in our Samsung Galaxy phone. We can go to our setting and then we have to go to the about phone. Just scroll down until you find this about phone, tap on it, and you can go to the software information, and you can tap on this build number many times until the developer mode has been activated, like this. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on, and we can go back to our setting and open the developer options. Okay, and here we need to scroll down until we find the color stimulate space. You just need to scroll down until you find that feature. Okay, this one guys, just click on this option and then you have to select monochromacy to make your Samsung Galaxy phone screen black and white. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to check it on my home screen. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that my Samsung Galaxy phone screen has been turned into a black and white. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our Samsung Galaxy phone screen black and white. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.